everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. So it's been a long time since we've tried Imperfect Foods, and I thought it might be a good idea to check in, get something from them, and see how it is now. I still did not get any fish, poultry, or beef because we've had really bad luck with those. And if you want to see some of my experiences, there's some links in the description down below. But I got some pantry items, which Imperfect Foods has been great for, and I've also got some produce as well. Let's get these boxes open and find out what's inside. Some farro. We got this by accident a few boxes ago. It might have been the last time that we ordered from Imperfect Foods, and Colin really liked it, so they had it and I decided to get it again. So we have that in our pantry, our messy pantry. Essential Baking Company Essential Pizza Organic Thin Crust. This is unbleached wheat flour, water, organic extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, and yeast. So it's pretty clean. It appears to be shelf stable, I think. And we have no bread. And I love Angelic Baking Company's bread. I absolutely love it. I normally order from them, but right now, and you saw the Butcher Box delivery we got recently, and my freezer is completely full. So normally what I do is I place an order with Angelic and then I freeze a bunch of bread, but I don't have any room to freeze a bunch of bread. So this, it smells fresh. This way we have at least a little bread to tide us over until I can make some room in my freezer. And this is sprouted wheat bread, sprouted whole grains, water, whole wheat flour, wheat gluten, agave syrup, which is not the best because, you know, your body can't really tell the difference between agave and any other kind of sugar. But there's only one total sugar in here, and only 1 gram of that is added sugar per slice. So that's really not terrible. Yeast, oat fiber, and it contains wheat, which we know. So pantry items, sort of. Bread items. I got some Gruyere cheese because if you saw my onion soup video, I made some onion soup months ago, but I still have one that's frozen. And this was a reasonable price for 4-month aged Gruyere. And when I do finally defrost, which I'm gonna do soon because I gotta make room in that freezer. When I do finally defrost that last tub of onion soup, I'll use this to put on top. And there's a link to that onion soup video in the description down below. And some tempeh, because I like tempeh burgers. And this is good until July 25th. We have an expiration date on this one. So this is just plain original tempeh, and I will use this. I'll grill it and make some tempeh burgers with it. I don't think Colin will eat that, but I will eat that. Some baby arugula, so we have some salad greens. It's a little banged up, the package, but the expiration date, best if used by April 4th. So this is good. Today is March 31st, so this will keep a couple more days. And maybe we can have arugula pizza using the pizza crust and the arugula. That sounds good. Some organic baked tofu. And this is, oh, there's a lot of ingredients in this. Organic tofu, tamari soy sauce, organic rice vinegar, organic brown rice syrup, organic tomato paste, organic salted sake. Ooh, that's interesting. Organic garlic, organic canola oil. It's organic, but it's still canola oil, and it doesn't say expeller pressed. Organic cane sugar, organic ginger, organic garlic, organic ginger powder. And I like to snack on this from time to time. I love the marinated kind. I just like to keep it so that if I need a quick snack, I can snack on it. Some goat cheese, plain chèvre. some hummus, original recipe Hope hummus, and this is this organic? Yes, organic and non-GMO. You really got to look for that with hummus too. And this is best diffused by May 6th, so that's good. Garbanzo beans, water, tahini, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, lemon juice concentrate, cumin, citric acid, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and it's out of Hope Foods is out of Boulder, Colorado. We have some Swiss cheese. This is Organic Valley, and we like Organic Valley. And then we have some firm tofu, and this is Best by June 5th. So this will keep a while. And again, I just like to have this around for snacking. I am not a vegetarian or vegan, as most of you that watch me regularly know, but I do like plant-based protein. So I always have. Don't know why. So this is good to keep around, or I can cube it up and put it in like a container and take it with me so that when I'm working and I take a break from the ice, I can have a little tofu snack. We got the Essential Baking Company Take and Bake Bread. This is shelf-stable, certified organic garlic bread. This is fully seasoned and pre-sliced. And with this, it's actually sliced down the middle. I didn't get that the first time I ordered it. I didn't understand. And the reason I have the boxes pushed all the way over here is because my crock pot is on the counter right now making chili for dinner. So that's why the flap keeps coming in my face. Maybe I can do something about that. Oh, there we go. That works. And we like this. I served this with some pasta last time we had it. And I'm going to put this in the Massey pantry with my other Take and Bake bread. This is a different company. This is the Essential Baking Company. When we get it from Misfits, we get cobblestone. There's a sweet potato on the bottom of the box. And one random orange. Okay. I think that's all that's in here. Yep, I got everything out of there. And now we're on to box number 2. Oh, and if you're interested in trying Imperfect Foods, there's a link in the description down below where you can get a discount on your first order. So if you want to try them out, give them a try, use the link down below. This is not sponsored. We got another of the Take and Bake. This is the Sourdough Loaf. I wonder how this compares to the other one. Maybe we should have a taste test. This is Best by September, and this is Best by July. So I'll have to use this sooner than this one, but we're still technically in March, so we got some time on these. A bag of organic lemons, and I've never actually seen them come in a bag like that. That's interesting. And, ooh, we got some rotten ones. Can you see this? It's another bag of those organic lemons, and there's a really disgusting lemon in here. Ugh, yuck. Nasty. I don't know. Can you see that? Oh. You know, I was really actually liking this until that happened. Now I have smelly lemon juice on me. Some super soft brioche buns. No trans fats. Cage-free eggs and real butter. Non-GMO, no artificial preservatives. And this is unbleached flour, water, sugar, eggs, butter, sea salt, yeast, and canola oil. I would have liked to have seen expeller pressed canola oil, sourdough, white vinegar, milk protein, turmeric, ascorbic acid, paprika, or color. We had, like I said, we just ran out of bread, so I'm just trying to make do until I can place a big order with Angelic Bakery so that I can fill my freezer up with bread. But we need to make some room from all the butcher box meat. And if you missed that video, there's a link in the description down below. Some flat leaf parsley. Well, at least this was correct, right? This is parsley. Yes, flat leaf parsley. And chives. I thought I was getting 2 of these, but we'll check the receipt at the end and see. Some asparagus, and I prefer my asparagus a little thinner, but this is nice, and this is always nice to have in the spring. Some snow peas, some green beans, and these are the same brand of green beans that we get from Worthy Flavors, and this is the company that C&B Farms is the founding farm that founded Worthy Flavors. So they're spreading that green bean love all over the place. We get them from Misfits, we get them from Imperfect Foods, and we also get them from their own company, Worthy Flavors. 2 russet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and 2 onions. Ooh, onions. And as a reminder, everything in here is organic because I only buy organic fruits and vegetables. So we got the organic green beans, organic asparagus, organic cara oranges. It says oranges, but we got 1, and it does say 1 count. I guess I didn't read that. Organic sweet potato. That was 1 sweet potato for $1. Maybe I should have gotten more than 1. Organic yellow onion, 2. Organic russet potatoes, 2. The farro, the tempeh, the lemons. I ordered 2 bags. It doesn't say bags, but I ordered 2, and one of those has the rotten lemon in it. Organic teriyaki tofu, the firm tofu, the arugula, the tomatoes they were out of, the Swiss cheese, the hummus, the 2 breads, the thin crust pizza, parsley, green onions, Brussels sprouts, snow peas, Gruyere, goat cheese, the brioche buns, and the whole grain bread. So that's not terrible. And if you're interested, again, in the only thing we were missing was the tomatoes. Let me show you. I mean, you're going to have to tell me, though, if you think this is a good value. It's not that much, but what I do like about them is that we can get a lot of the pantry items and cheeses and hummus and the fresh bread and stuff like that we can't get from, I mean, Worthy Flavors just doesn't have that stuff. And Misfits Market sometimes has that stuff. But I really do like that I can get that from Imperfect Foods, especially since I still haven't gone back to a grocery store yet. Let me know what you think of this order. Leave a comment in the description down below. If you've tried Imperfect Foods, what did you think about it? What do you think of my order? Do you think it was worth the amount that I paid for it? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and on social media too. That goes a long way to really help support the channel. And remember, I post 3 videos a week, sometimes more, and you don't want to miss any of them. So hit that subscribe button and ring the bell right next to it, and you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye!